Hello, good day, viewers. Let us understand this derivative. Let's assume we have a graph. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Suppose we have something like this. This is a graph. We have learned about the slope, right? The rate of change of y over x. For instance, if we have a point here, another point here at random, this will be x, right? And the corresponding value of y will be f of x. So what about this point? Let's assume that the distance from x to this second point is h. So like this is what I mean. From here down here is h. Therefore, this point will be x plus h, right? So this will be x plus h. The corresponding value of y at that point will give us f of x plus h. All right, so what will be the slope of this line? Remember, the slope of this line will be what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is going to be our slope m. But relating to this one, we have y2 to be f of x plus h, right? That is our y2. So let me write it here. It will be f of x plus h minus y1. This is our y1, y2, y1 minus f of x divided by x2 is x plus h minus x1, which is x. You see that x will cancel x, so what do we have? We have f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is nothing but a quotient. But we are talking about derivative. Derivative is the slope of this function at a point. So what if we decide to bring this point backward till it meets this? Because we are talking about tangent. Remember, a tangent is a line that touches a curve at exactly one point. So this is a secant line, but we're talking about tangent line. This is a slope of a secant line, but we're talking about slope of a tangent line at a point. So the moment you decide to bring this point backward till it meets the first one, you can clearly see that h will be very small. It will approach 0. So the moment you take a limit as h approaches 0, it will give you what? The slope of the tangent line. And the slope of a tangent line is nothing but the derivative of that function at a point. So we say that this is what? The limit as h approaches 0 of the function f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So as h approaches 0, we have a tangent line. And if you calculate the slope at a point, it will give us the derivative and nothing more. Simple.